He has a very unique voice that I really love.
That man's about the culture, and the culture loves him back.
Wizzy, we love you. You are a global icon. Thank you for coming to LA. We appreciate everything you do for the entire continent.
I love Wizkid, man. My dad's Yoruba. He's from Nigeria. When I was growing up, you would never hear Afro beats on the radio, nowhere but our household. And now it's like global, it's everywhere, and I love it, man. Shout out Wizkid, man.
He makes me feel good to be African too, you know?
We just started the party, baby. Yeah, yeah. Let's go. LA, I love you, baby.
Baby, 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 show me, baby, show me, baby, 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 show me, baby, show me.
I just want to thank everybody here today. God bless everybody. Like, I want to thank you for blessing me with your energy. Thank you so much for being a part of this show. This show wouldn't have happened without you guys, for real, for real. So everybody's really important. Like, and I just want to thank you. I feel really blessed. I feel really honored, like, every time, man. And I just want to say I fucking love you guys. For real, love you so much.